My next one, it says, should I use the convection setting on my oven? What is the convection setting on your oven? Basically, your oven is working with the heating elements, but we have a fan that sits in the back of the oven. What does it do? It circulates the hot air around your food. It was created so that you can cook much quicker inside of that oven. The thing that I don't like about using the convection setting on your oven is that the convection setting will get your cheese browned faster on your crust than the crust itself. So what's going to happen is, if you got a pizza that you're baking in the oven, and let's say you have it set to a certain temperature and you know it's going to take a certain amount of time to bake, as soon as we hit that convection setting, the cheese will get very, very brown, the crust will remain very light, and you'll get a very uneven baked pizza. So in my opinion, use the bake setting on your oven, not the convection setting. If you invested in pizza stones or steel, I still love to use the double stone or double steel method, where we physically put a stone or steel onto each rack. Most of your ovens have at least 2 racks, right? Put a stone or steel onto each rack, put them within about 4 to 5 inches apart of each other, let them get really nice and hot, usually within about an hour, hour and a half, depending on the type of your oven that you have, and let them get really nice and hot. Once you're baking inside the oven, now you've recreated a brick oven in a pizzeria. You've got 2 even heat sources at the same temperature baking that pizza, and you'll have this beautiful, perfected pizza just from that method. I hope that answers your question.